Alright guys, I was asked to do a video of me booting up my computer because there was concerns about how it booted up. It doesn't do it in a traditional manner. The person that was asking for the video of the boot up, so we'll go ahead and do that. One thing to keep in mind during my boot up, mine will take a little bit longer because I am using the onboard RAID. So you will see an extra screen that you don't have unless you're using the onboard RAID. And of course, if you have a RAID controller card installed, then you also have a screen similar to the onboard one. So we're going to go ahead and turn on the computer here and get it booted up. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, I need to get some dusting done with this thing. Haven't done that in a while. So here it is at the monitor here. Yeah, we got to turn it on. Okay, good. Alright, so that comes up with the video card. And there's your cursor up to the top. And now it's going to another cursor is going into the RAID options. It's finding my optical drives. And now we go back to the cursor at the top again. And it's doing the cursors. There was a question about some numbers down in the corner over here too. Those numbers down there correspond to the numbers that are on the digital display on your motherboard. Those are for helping you troubleshoot possible problems with your motherboard. You can Google codes for this particular motherboard, and you can find out what the codes mean. Not all codes necessarily mean that you have a problem. As just part of the boot up process. When I went to the onboard RAID controller, those numbers disappeared for me. So let's go ahead and log in here. So there you go, we're logged in. We have our big screen up here, and we got our main screen down here. So hopefully that was helpful for those that were concerned about the boot up and what it was supposed to look like. It didn't sound like there was any problems with the person that sent me a personal email via YouTube. So hopefully that helps you with the trying to determine if you do or do not have a problem. We'll talk to you all later. Bye.